Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to close 3 deals from social media. One was for 745,000, one for 620, and then one for 480,000, that brought me a pretty good commission. And these leads, they actually came to me from social media. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing to get leads and what kind of videos that you should be making and where you should be posting them. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Roberto. Here I talk about my real estate experience. I share things that I do to get leads, and especially if you're a new agent, maybe you can learn something from me and then you can go do it on your own. So the way I was able to close these deals, now these are all buyers. So maybe if you're an agent, you don't work with the buyers, then maybe this is probably not going to work for you, but I highly recommend you do them anyways. And if you do work with the buyers, then great. And also too, I know a lot of agents, they want listings. You can also get listings doing this, because I got one listing as well. So let me show you exactly how I was able to close these deals. One was for 745,000, one for 620, and then one for 480,000, it was a pretty good commission there. So what I started doing is home tours. If you're doing social media but you're not getting business, you're not closing deals, maybe you're not doing the right videos, because I started doing social media way before I was doing YouTube, but didn't really close any deals. I wasn't really doing the right videos, but then I started doing these. I started doing this and I started closing deals. And also I got 4 more under agreement, all for social media, that's supposed to close in the next few weeks. So what I started doing is home tours. I'm going to link all my social media in the description so you can check out what I'm doing. So I started doing home tours. So with the home tours, I started doing just using my phone with just your phone, a tripod, and a good microphone. So what I started doing is, I would go find some vacant properties. You got to do them on vacant properties. If they live there, it's not easy to do. So you want to do vacant properties. The properties that work really good is no construction or maybe renovated homes. So if you're in a market where you have a lot of new construction homes, you should be doing those. Now, you might be asking, but do they need to be my own listings? No, they don't have to be your own listing. So they can be someone else's listing. I highly recommend ask someone from your office if they have any listings. Then you can ask them, hey, can I go and do a video tour? If not, then you can contact some other agents and then just ask them if you can go and do a home tour, which in most cases, some agents will say yes. So what I did is this one, it wasn't my listings. It was fully renovated, beautiful home. And I asked this agent if I could go and do a video tour and share with my followers. So they allow me to do that. And the other thing I highly recommend, keep the videos very simple. Don't worry about, make it really fancy, trying to edit. Just keep it very simple. I mean, you're going to go check out my social media and then you can see how simple I do these videos. So I found this house, I went there, I took somebody with me, he recorded me. What I recommend too, if you have someone that can go with you, you want to show your face, you want to show who you are so people can trust you more. Instead of, you can still do just the house, you can still go just yourself. If you don't want to show yourself, you can just do the house, but I highly recommend take someone with you and just kind of walk through the house. So what I did is like I said, I kept the video very simple. I just had the guy just following me. I was just walking around the house. Where did I post the videos? So this is where I post all the home tours. First, I started with the TikTok. So if you don't have TikTok, I highly recommend to get on TikTok. And it's free. Create an account there. And then post them there. So I started with the TikTok. I posted a video. It started getting a lot of views. Right from the beginning, started getting a lot of views, thousands and thousands of views. And then I started getting a lot of calls, because what I do on that video too, like what I do when I make videos, I tell people to call me if they want to see the house, or if they're thinking about buying a house, they can call me. So I did this one. The house was 480,000. And I posted on my TikTok. It got a lot of views. And then I had this lady. I had a lot of people calling me. They're messaging me. I remember it was one Sunday. I went there. It was like 4 people. I showed them the house. And then there was one lady. She was like, I love this house. Help me get it. She was like, I'm already pre-approved and I'm ready to go. And I said, okay, great. I helped her. We put in the offer the same night and got accepted. And then we closed on it. That was 480,000. So Now, so I started posting on Instagram, then I started posting on Facebook, on my Facebook business page. So the 3 platforms that I highly recommend you should be post them is Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. These, they work really, really good for me. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can check them out. And then the next one that I closed for 620,000, same thing. Like these people, they were watching me on social media, and then they contact me. I showed them the house. The next one I showed, it was a guy, it was a young couple. He was like, yeah, I need help to get pre-approved. I got him with the lender, got him pre-approved, and I took 1 weekend. And I know people say, some agents say, oh, don't work with the buyers, you're gonna waste your time. You know, especially if you're a new agent, I would say I highly recommend just try to work with everybody. You know, if you don't wanna do cold calling, you know, if you wanna work just with the sellers, you know, that's gonna be really hard. Especially if, like I said, if you're a new agent, you know, try to work with everybody. So if you're not doing social media, like I said, you're probably leaving a lot of business on the table. So the second one is I took 1 weekend. I remember it was one Saturday. I said, oh, okay, I'm gonna show you at least 5 homes. So I showed him 5 homes. We found 3 homes that they really like, and then we put an offer. It got accepted. Then we closed on it. That was a nice commission. The third one that I recently just closed last week for $745,000. So they reached out to me on Facebook, and they told me they were looking for like an investment property. And the crazy thing is, to some of these people, I don't even go with them to show them a house. If it's an open house, they just go there on their own, and then they contact me. So the third one, they went to see a house. They went to an open house. I was doing like an open house on one of my listings, and then they called me, hey, we just went to see this house. We want to put an offer in. It was $745,000. We put an offer, got accepted, and then we closed on it. I think 30 days later, we closed on it, which is I just closed last week. And you guys, you know, on this channel, I share my some of you guys have been watching me, and you know, I share everything I do, and you know, I'm just being honest here. It was nice commission. So now, the hardest part that you might have with this is trying to find homes that you can record. Some agents will say no, but just, you know, you got to keep asking them. I'm going to do more videos about this. And guys too, I'm actually getting back on calling. I'm going to start doing some live calls again soon. So, you know, I've been very busy, so that's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, but I'm finally starting to catch up. So I'm going to start doing more videos. But guys, start doing home tours and keep it simple. Do not spend money on cameras. Just use your phone, use a tripod and a microphone. That's all you need. And then just go there and simply record the videos. Just keep it very simple. But that was how I was able to close over, I think it was almost $2 million, and it was pretty good commission. So please follow me on my Instagram and watch how I do my home tours, and then go do the same. But until then, guys, I will see you on the next video.